welcome to week 14 of Monday Motif series with Yarn Wonders. Today we are going to see an easy rainbow motif. For this I am going to use some random 7 colors. Before beginning, I'll let you know what are all the stitches we are going to use. We are going to make a magic ring and chain stitches, then double crochets. To start, you can begin with a magic ring. And I'm going to make 6 double crochets into the magic ring. So here I'm done with the 6 double crochets. So this will be your row 1. So now I'm going to switch to the next color. So the next color I'm going to pick is blue. So you can just start making the chain stitches. So I'm going to make 2 chain stitches here, then 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So this row, it will be an increase row, so that you'll be making totally 12 double crochets, which means you're going to make 2 double crochet in each. So hereafter we should cut off the violet color as well. So I'm just going to hide it while doing this row. So here you can just see the next loop and insert the needle by holding this tail end of blue and the part you are going to cut from violet. So by holding this you can just cover it, and there is no necessity for hiding it separately. So this is the last one. With this row will get end. Here I'm just going to cut off the excess. So now you can close this violet shade, and now we'll be making the next row. For next row it will be an alternate increase. So for example, now we are here, so you should make 2 chain stitches So the next color I'm going to choose is a shade of pink. So again, with the same way, you can start making the chain stitches. And while doing this row, again, the same procedure repeats. You can just hold this and make your stitches. So this is your chain. So I'm going to make one more double crochet into the same loop. So, and as I said, this row will be an alternate increased row. So in the next stitch, I'll be doing 2 double crochets. Then you can do 1 double crochet in the next loop. And you can make 2 double crochet in the next loop. So you can repeat this until you come to the end point. So the next row is done now. Again, for the next row, you can choose one more color of your wish. So I'm just randomly picking green now. Now you can make 2 chain, then cut off this blue color. So in this row, it will be 2 double crochets and then increase. So here I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Then increase. This will be the last stitch. So now we are done with the 4th row. So I'm just cutting off the pink shade. And now you shall start with the next color. So next color, I'm just randomly choosing red now. So now you can make chain stitches again. And now you can start doing 3 double crochets and 1 increase stitch. So you can repeat the same procedure till this end. So now the 5th row is done. You can now start making the 6th row. So the 6th color, I'm just going to choose a random one, and okay, so this is yellow. So again you shall start making chain stitches and proceed with 4 double crochets now. Now you should make 4 double crochets in each stitches, and the 5th will be a increase stitch. So you can repeat this till the end. So now we are done with the 6th color, and so I'm going to cut off the red one here. And now we'll be making the final row. For final row, I'm choosing orange color. So again, the same procedure. You can begin with chain stitches. Then you shall start making 5 double crochets. So 5 double crochets, and the 6th stitch should be an increase stitch. You shall repeat the procedure till the other end. So now we are done with the last stitch. And here you can leave some yarn and cut it off. Then make a knot. So you can hide this somewhere behind by just pulling up some loops. So in this way, just you can hide it for 3 to 4 loops and just cut off the excess yarn. Once you are done hiding, just cut off the excess. So in the same way, the center part is also there. You can just hide it. And cut off the excess. So now your rainbow motif is ready. So you can just cut off if there is some excess yarn is visible to get a fine finish. Also, you can try the same pattern using a half double crochet or single crochet as well, so that the size will be down. I hope you all like this. Thank you for watching.